Hi there, I'm Jonathan Valencia, Ergonomist at Humantech, a VelocityEHS brand. And we're here today at Lawrence, Michigan with President and Founder of LTW Ergonomics Solutions, John Lanphear. Thank you for having us, John.
Appreciate it very much, Jonathan. I appreciate all that you guys do for the world, helping people get more ergonomic.
Awesome, thank you very much. So we're here today. Behind us we have these retrofit kits, and what I have found on site, and the reason I'm very excited about this product that we're about to discuss, is that some workstations are very expensive to completely replace to make them height adjustable. So you have tackled this problem with these retrofit kits behind us. Can you tell us a little bit more about why you recommend one over the other?
Absolutely. You know, like you mentioned, there's lots of existing workstations. We've got ergonomic workstations, push electric button, they go up and down for different types of people, and lots of machine base and everything. But people have existing equipment all through their plants, like you've seen, and they want them to go up and down. So that's why we designed our ergonomic retrofit kits. This one here is a E4H ergo pillar kit, so that you can actually mount each one of these individual pillars on all four corners of a machine. And then we got our E2 retrofit kit. This one's better for like workstations or narrower workstations, and you just bolt that on, and it's a very simple solution to get you and your existing equipment ergonomic.
Awesome, very good.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the height adjustability that you offer with your retrofit kits and the load capacity that they offer as well?
Absolutely. So we've got 8 inches and 12 inches of range, height adjustable range. Accommodates lots of different heights of operators. And then we've got from 2,200 pounds up to beyond that to whatever you need, and we can accommodate that. So we even do custom solutions as well.
Awesome, very good. So it seems like it's not only for workstations. Would you say what sort of other applicability could these be used for?
Absolutely. Yeah, there's lots of machines out there in manufacturing, assembly machines and everything. They're on big bases. Some of them are pretty big.
Right.
And so you just can take one of our ergo pillars, bolt it to the sides, each corner of these machines, mount the little hand switch, plug it in, and that's going up and down for different height operators.
Awesome, that's excellent. So one last question I had for you. I noticed that you have electric actuators over hand crank and over hydraulic. Can you tell us why you went in that direction?
Sure. You know, like you mentioned, hand cranks, those ones there, we've never seen too many people ever use them.
Right.
They're not very ergonomic, and you got to kind of lean over and crank it and stuff. And so push of electric button like our system does makes it very easy for them to adjust it to their height. And then hydraulic systems that we've seen on the market, they tend to fail, and they've got these little hydraulic lines that you can actually damage, and then it spews hydraulic fluid all over, and we've had customers actually have that happen. Not a good situation, and then those hydraulic cylinders just tipping the machine right over. So our electric system, it's all synchronous driven, and you cut one of our electric wires, it just sits there, and is a very safe solution.
Awesome, so it's ergonomic and safe. That's good to hear.
Absolutely.
So one last question I have for you. Where can we find more information about the products you offer here at LTW?
Yeah, you just go right to our website, ltw1.com.
Awesome. Thank you for having us, John.
Appreciate it, Jonathan. Thank you very much.
Thank you. This has been Jonathan from Humantech. Thanks for watching.